Welcome back, guys. I'm Bubblegum Ninja and I am a hot mess today, so bear with me. Seriously though, it's like 70 degrees out and I just had a hot chocolate and my apartment doesn't have air conditioning, so that was a dumb idea. But fam, this is my third birthday haul and I'm hyped because like these are some of my favorite videos to watch of other YouTubers. You guys always know that I say like I'm not bragging or anything. You guys love these videos too. I'll link my past ones down below as long as like my Christmas hauls and all that. But I just turned 20 years old. Like what the heck? I'm not a teenager anymore. Like I'm filming this on September 27th and my birthday was the 26th. So like I'm 20 years old and that's a little freaky to me. But we're just gonna roll with it, and I got some pretty bomb presents. So basically, I came from home and brought this giant bag of presents with me. Because if you notice my background, this is my first video that I'm filming in my new apartment, and all my roommates are at school right now because I get done with classes at like 11:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You don't care. So I'm just gonna pull stuff from the bag. Let's get on to it. A big thank you to everyone who gave me something or gave me birthday wishes. I love you all. For those of you who don't know, I have a record player that I got last year. I bought it for myself. It's like a light blue. It's super cute. And I only had 2 records for it. I have the Cosmic album by Bozzy. I have the Guardians of the Galaxy vinyl. So my brother came through and got me 4 more albums that I had on my birthday list. He got me Aladdin, which is like the best Disney soundtrack out of all the Disney soundtracks. I got the Doo-Wops and Hooligans album by Bruno Mars. Heck yeah, this has some classics. It was so hard to decide what album of his, but this has the Lazy Song, Just the Way You Are, Marry You, Count on Me. Those are like 4 of my favorites, so easy peasy. Next, American Teen by Khalid, my bad. It's just like some good vibes music. And then Nile Horan's Flicker album. I loved Slow Hands, and then I listened to the rest of it and it's like all the same, just good vibes like I said. That's all from my awesome brother Kyle. My roommate came through and she accidentally got me an album that I already have, so she's gonna return that and get me the Sam Smith album, I think, which I also really want. Then she also got me one that was not on my list, which I'm hyped for, the Grease album, which is just gonna be so fun, and look how cute this is. So that's gonna be amazing listening to all of those. And also, I don't have it here because it just came in the mail to my house, but my parents ordered me a cute white vinyl stand from Amazon that I put on my list, where you put the record player on top and then there's space for all your records. There's like slots in the bottom, and I'm hyped. I'm gonna bring that to my apartment and put everything in there, and I'm so excited. Next, I don't even want to look at this because it looks so hot. I saw this UGG bathrobe and I decided I wasn't gonna get it. So apparently they snuck out when I was taking a nap and bought this baby pink bathrobe for me, which is amazing because my other bathrobe is so old. My cousin Ryan, who's my brother's age, he's 23, picked me out a candle, which I thought was so sweet because usually just his whole family gets me something, but he said he spent like so long smelling candles that he felt sick, and I know exactly that feeling. I always get lightheaded in Bath and Body Works, but it just smells so good. It's pink magnolia. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Bruh, my parents got me a gift card to InSpa, and they've done this. They did this for last Christmas and my birthday just because I get a lot of stress and anxiety and I love to get massages. Oh, it's amazing. Next, I got a couple of shirts also from the fam. This one is from American Eagle and it's such a soft, you know how all their shirts are so soft. It's an off the shoulder and I think this will be so cute. I really want to get like a pink bralette to wear with it. That would be super cute. And the next shirt is this yellow one that says Kodak, and it just looks so like classic, you know, those disposable cameras, those were Kodaks, and this is just so my style. Here, let me show you my backpack. I actually got this for free from like a sorority that was just handing stuff out, but like look at this. It has a bunch of old movies on it. It has like Ghostbusters, Men in Black, Grease, Rocky 3, like it just has like the coolest things on it, and I just love unique stuff like that. But my Uncle Scott got me a gift card to Sephora, which is right down by InSpa, so I'm probably going to get a massage and then go to Sephora. That sounds amazing. And then I got a gift card to Target from my Aunt Kim. Oh my gosh, do you know what's amazing? I've had my Polaroid for exactly a year. My brother got it for my last birthday for me. And I still have not bought a single pack of Polaroid film because I got some for Christmas, now I got some more for my birthday, so I got 4 packs, which is like 40 pictures. As you can see up there, I love taking them. That entire bottom string is from my birthday party that I had at my apartment with my friends. So like, I just love capturing memories. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but probably not. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.